company and entrepreneur background. Norazira binti Rozali is one of the successful entrepreneur in Terengganu. She started her business since high school by just selling the cookies to her friends. After diploma, she gets an offer to start the Culinary Academic for 6 months in order to get the professional bakery certificate. After studying there, she continues to study at University of Malaysia Terengganu in degree fields. When she is studying there, she also run out a business such as selling cookies, second-hand laptops, or any junk foods to pay for college fee. After that, she is traveling to another country such as Indonesia and China to learn more about cakes. After get a lot of experience, she started to open a bakery shop at Kuala Ibai, Terengganu. Now, she is one of the entrepreneurs that are successful with a big dream to achieve more in her life.
Scanning the external environment factor. Political factor. A little was changed during the COVID-19 pandemic. Traders tax system weakened. Payment of toll rent has also been postponed until the dealer can repay it. Zidam Cake took this opportunity for the benefit of the business during the COVID-19 pandemic and also introduced labor law. Economic factor. The shop is open in a strategic area because there is a large residential community in the area. The area has many residential areas such as apartment, flat house, and prime house. Zidam Cake is the only pastry shop at the area. Social factor. The customer are various Malay, Chinese, and Indians. Wedding theme can always in high demand in the community during the school holiday season. Customers are also among the students who celebrating their birthday or any event at school. Technological factor. Has a large size mixer that is capable of producing 25 large cake doughs with one blender. Zidam Cake also have 3 ovens that can bake large cake with one cook. Zidam Cake also have electric mixer, electric steamer, scale, and egg beater to make their cake.
SWOT analysis. Strength. The strength of his business that made it possible to survive until now is to get support from family, friends, and employees. His employees always give a good commitment to him. There are 8 employees at Zidam Cake, and he plans to add a few more employees in the future to ease the workload that he did not have time to take over. Weakness. Zidam Cake has a few problems in terms of raw materials, such as the control of the price of goods that are fluctuating. Zidam Cake also let team production to take over the booking part. Opportunity. Zidam Cake is located in Kuala Ibai, which is close to residential area, and Ibai Golf is a golf venue. Besides that, there are several school areas near his shop. This can attract customers to come to Zidam Cake because his store has a strategic area and is easily accessible by customers. Zidam Cake is also get a lot of order for birthday celebration because the price of his cake is affordable. Last but not least, treat. Zidam Cake has some competition in making cakes and pastry. In addition, competition with home baker in terms of price. The price given to customer is again cheaper than Zidane cake, but compared to other store, the budget price of Zidane cake is unmatched by other cake shop.
Create growth strategy and competitive strategy. Strength opportunities. Zidane cake can improve the marketing skill of each employee in order to get more order. Other than that, Zidane cake can open more branch in different area beside Kuala Iban. Next is Zidane cake can produce quality cake upon receipt of special orders. Next is witness opportunity. Zidane cake can take on more employees in order to be able to complete large order. Then Zidane cake can use financial assistance from the government to cover the cost of volatile price of goods. Lastly, Zidane cake can send staff to training course to further strengthen individual skills. Next is strength traits. Zidane cake can put an affordable price with satisfactory quality. Other than that, Zidane cake can also increase promotion to attract buyers to keep buy at Zidane cake. Lastly, Zidane cake can promote the store using social media platform to attract buyers. Next strategy is weakness traits. Zidane cake can build strength for defensive strategy. Other than that, Zidane cake can engage customer with constant reward. Last but not least, Zidane cake can create new idea first before the competitors to stay on the top in the competitive market.
The organization and program according to the strategy. Entrepreneur organizations are structures that promote the emergence and development of ideas from all members of the business. Zidane cake has hired a total of 8 employees and plans to add 5 employees and make it of 50 employees at Zidane cake. Zidane cakes wants to expand her shop, and because of that, she wants to add employees at their shop. The jobs offered by Zidane cake are vacancies under the team production, team composition, and also admin. For new employees, they must attend the interview to work at Zidane cakes. Employees at Zidane cake will undergo training and learn the art of making cakes and bakery, and also sends her employees to paid courses such as fondant courses, marketing courses, and so on to build up the skills their staff. Zidane cakes cares about employee well-being, including bonuses for overtime employees. Zidane cake has changed their shop marketing by provided door-to-door delivery by hiring a runner during a pandemic COVID-19.
I will continue my part, which is to explain about the performance and suggest strategy improvement for Zidane cakes. First strategy is store improvement. Zidane cakes took 3 years to do cakes business and making cookies in campus to make more money, and with saving money, Zidane cakes ran a store to make more comfortable to selling their cakes. Second is target age of customer, which is Zidane cakes for high school students until 35 years and above, because for high school students, they are often buy cakes for celebrate the birthday of friends or family. For those ages 30 and above, they are often to celebrate of their children or parents. Third is take a higher risk. Zidane cakes take a higher risk by taking birthday celebration orders. For example, Zedam Cakes will provide all the equipment for the birthday party by providing everything needed, such as catering and decoration. The birthday party can be said to be a complete package provided by Zedam Cakes.
The opportunity seizing from Malaysian Government Budget 2022. First, grant khas prihatin. Entrepreneur who have sufficient condition can obtain assistance of RM3,000 and addition RM500 to micro entrepreneurs. Second, Zedam Cake has sufficient condition to apply this assistance, and many benefit will be gained in helping improve the quality of production and production of product from this company. Second, shop Malaysian online and go e-commerce on boarding. The aim of this campaign is to encourage the local traders to join the e-commerce platform by promoting sectors such as halal, handcraft, agriculture and retails and service to increase sale and business reach in Malaysia. Zedam Cake has participated in the Go e-commerce onboarding campaign to assist business. Zedam Cake use the Foodpanda and GrabFood service to assist customer in obtaining Zedam Cake product. Thank you.
The suggestion and application of the Malaysian Government Budget 2022. First, government pursue its budgetary policy of budgets are economic stability, pre-allocation or resources, redistribution of income and managing public enterprise. The suggestion promoting capital-light income, creating comprehensive value propositions and developing digitalizations. A budget can be a device for counting and recording income and expenditures. Entrepreneurs can generate a statement of financial intent constructed on the basis of anticipated income or expenditures. Financial intent, priorities, growth, control, index, decisions, politics, committees, incremental, conflict, entitlements, mandatory spending, discretionary spending can be applied for entrepreneurs for application and suggestion of the Malaysian Government Budget 2022. Thank you. Budget 2022 was planned supported to reverse its riots will bring businessmen and economic resilience in line with the revitalized stage of the CSR economic recovery plan. Unlike previous budgets, the preparation of budget 2022 involves quite detailed dialogues across 40 businesses.
In conclusion, we can see from this report that Zedam Cake business uses strategic entrepreneurial business plan that can help Zedam Cake business remain established as a business even though the business of Miss Nur Azira Binti Rosali, the founder of the Zedam Cake, is a small business but able to compete with large business from her business. The government also assists in Miss Nur Azira Binti Rosali business activity to continue to grow a business that is needed by the public. By the following, the strategic planning of this entrepreneurship can benefit Miss Nur Azira Binti Rosali has a good financial performance despite being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and MCO implemented by the government.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.